yeah. Nowadays ain't like it used to be. Once upon a time. 'Cause everywhere I go, I see my people suffering, and that ain't right. It makes me sit and wonder about what's in store for I and I. Sometimes things seem so hopeless. It's got me saying, Lord, what a crazy life. That's when I say, Lord, hear me when I pray. Won't you watch over me? Give me the strength to overcome all of my enemies. When things get too crazy, I know you'll rescue me. 'Cause all I got in my heart is love, and I pray every night, every day. Ooh, Lord, Lord, Lord. People I used to know are changing, and it's not like it was before.